Do you ever feel like you got thrown into life before you got a chance to choose? God said he formed me before I was born. Cool. Then maybe explain why I want to quit every 3 days. I wasn't built for this, but apparently I was born for it. I didn't ask to be this guy, but I'd rather be faithful and broken than fake and praised. Do you ever feel like obedience made you miss out?
God said, verbatim, do not marry, do not have children, don't mourn, don't feast. Basically, just don't.
They say prophets get visions. I got celibacy and a reputation. And it's not like I didn't want love. I just wanted obedience more. If you're feeling lonely, don't confuse it with being forsaken. Sometimes the loneliest road is the faithful one. You ever obeyed God, then immediately regretted going outside?
I preached one sermon. One. Said, God's not impressed with your festivals if you're faking the rest. Boom. I'm the enemy.
They dragged me out, bro. Beat me. Locked me up. For what, quoting God? Want to know the real scandal? I didn't say anything they didn't already know. You can't clap for truth in private and stay silent in public. You'll either speak it or get smacked for it. Just be ready for the punch. But say it anyway. You ever try to quit your calling and your soul starts burning? I told God I was done. Said I wouldn't speak his name anymore. Not after the beatings, the mockery, the loneliness. But the words wouldn't leave me. They sat in my bones like fire. I couldn't hold them in. I don't preach because I want to. I preach because I'll explode if I don't. Calling doesn't always feel like a crown. Sometimes it's a furnace. If God's branded you with truth, you will never be able to stay quiet. So stop trying.